Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert emails in AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like New Mail, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Tap on Mail, then select the pencil icon from the top right corner of the screen. Now from there, right above your keyboard, you're gonna find few icons there. Select the first icon, which is the gallery icon, then select the image that you want to upload. Once you do that, tap on Add from the top right corner, and guys, that's it. That's how you insert emails in AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.